Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix if people can't hear me on my iPhone. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Turn off Bluetooth. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap Bluetooth. On the Bluetooth page, turn off Bluetooth. Solution number 2. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Journal. On the Journal page, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset Network Setting, enter your passcode. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 3. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Journal. On the Journal page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Solution number 4. Force restart your iPhone. iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max. Press and hold the side button. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the volume down button. iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the home button. Thanks for watching this video.